New medical marijuana application numbers have been released by the Department of Health, which says it's been hearing from a number of people who say they've been having trouble finding a physician to sign off on their medical marijuana application. OSU professor Justin Rice says he went all the way to Broken Arrow to find a physician to sign his application.
I told him my story of having chronic migraines my entire life.
30 minutes later, his paperwork was signed, and less than 2 business days after applying online, he received his medical marijuana card.
The quickness of the implementation is probably the best thing of it from my perspective.
But the 90-day implementation means a rush at the health department. We're told there hasn't been enough time to find a director for the Medical Marijuana Authority. The hiring process on hold.
The thinking was that it would not be the right time to bring somebody in brand new in the middle of this process.
As of Tuesday, only 2,670 patients had applied for their medical marijuana card.
A lot of people are telling us that their own doctors are not writing recommendations.
The health department now has an optional registry of doctors more willing to hear from patients wanting to turn to medical marijuana.
And I understand those doctors are getting a lot of calls.
Meanwhile, already 1,231 businesses, more than 30% of all applications, have applied for their medical marijuana licenses. While it appears there's not much of a customer base yet, Rice believes it won't stay a slow burn.
I think a lot of people are just sitting back to wait and see what happens.
On the scene, on the story, Carl Torp, News 9.